This is my first video filming with my microphone. I've never used a microphone before, so bear with me. Please let me know if the sound is better. Like, compare it to my last video and see if it was better. Oh no, my last video I used it too. Compare this to my vlogs. This video is all going to be inspiration, motivation, and good vibes, which is basically what we all need for this next year. I am giving all of the things that I could think of that could really start you off on the best foot for 2021. So I'm going to start with what you need to do before 2021 hits. Well, that didn't quite exactly work out because I'm uploading this literally in the first week of 2021. But these are some things that you can do at the start of the year so that the rest of the year will be set on a better path. Actually, if you want to get like a notebook and a pen, or if you want to just write this down in your phone notes, or honestly just like think about it while I'm like telling you this, it would be really helpful. So the first thing I want you to do is make a list of your accomplishments / wins, successes of 2021. Maybe even stuff that weren't even on your goals list or things that you didn't necessarily need to accomplish. This year wasn't all bad. Even when it seems like nothing is going right, I'm definitely guilty of being like, literally nothing's going right. Like, nothing's going right. Like, my life sucks. This year sucks. Like, you can just go down that hole and it's super easy, but will you be one of the people to stop yourself from going down that hole, realize it, and focus on the good things, the wins, the accomplishments, the goals, everything? Because if you can find that, you will be on such a better path. Your mindset will be so much more positive for the next year, and it'll only do good things for you. The next thing is a list of your biggest lessons that you've learned. So, you know, not like I learned to fold my clothes right, like not one like that, like a very valuable, meaningful lesson, not only regarding the pandemic, but everything else, like relationships, school, like how you got in touch with yourself, how you learned about yourself. There are lessons. It's really good to notice those lessons because it makes you realize that every hardship that you went through has taught you something. Finish outstanding tasks. You don't want these things hanging over your head in the new year. Like, you are getting them done now. Like, I'm telling you, you're gonna do them now. Get your doctor's appointments done with, dentist appointments, things that you don't want hanging over your head in 2021. Do it. Just do it. Like Nike. The next thing, you guys knew this was coming if you've watched my videos before, but it's to declutter. Declutter your email, declutter your closet, declutter your schedule, declutter. Declutter. You will feel like a literal new person. You will be more motivated, more inspired, especially if the space that you're in all the time is organized and decluttered. Declutter your purse, your wallet. Like, there are so many things to declutter. Like, don't even try and tell me that there isn't, because there is. There's different stages to decluttering, but you can like watch Marie Kondo on Netflix and she'll, you know, give you a few tips. The next thing you should definitely do is clean out your closet. I recently did this and I'm actually selling a lot of my clothes on Depop. So you guys can follow me. My username is Sadie Aldis. It's like literally a necessity. When I have an organized closet, it makes it so much easier to pick out outfits, which makes my morning like less stressful and which makes me feel cuter. Even though I hate trying things on, like I hate trying my own clothes on, you know, just to find out if they don't fit, if it's not your style anymore. Start your new year with a fresh closet of stuff that you actually like and are gonna wear. Upgrade your surroundings. You can get a new succulent, or you can get a new desk chair, a new pillow, a new throw blanket, a new phone case, new coffee mug, new slippers, something that you use every single day that you know if you just get a fresh one, a new one, it'll give you that little like slight boost of serotonin in the morning. Like, it'll just make you a little happier. It'll get you a little bit more inspired. Because if you're looking for inspiration, it can just be those little things like a new coffee mug, a new coffee creamer, something like that that'll just like get you up, keep you a little happier. Okay, this one I really am taking to heart. Guys, I have not worked out in so very long. It's been months. Watch this video to see my first time working out in 4 months. It was pretty funny. But plan a health / workout routine. I know I'm going to be starting from the absolute beginning with working out. I can't lift any weights. I suck at cardio. Like, I'm starting from the bottom again. And even if you are too, that is okay. Like, literally you just planning out a health routine is getting you somewhere. And if you start, you're going to want to keep going, and then you see results and it's going to motivate you even more. So like, just start. Like, start a plan. Do like a 30 30-day no sugar thing. Start out simple. Get yourself a new workout set and then plan out what workouts you would like to do. Find ones that you actually enjoy. I would do Chloe Ting a lot, and honestly, there are ones that I like a lot more than Chloe Ting, and I was just doing Chloe Ting because every single other YouTuber and girl in the world was doing Chloe Ting, so it's like I need to do it. But there are other ones that I feel like I would enjoy better, like bar, and I really do enjoy strength and using weights, so like don't think that you have to do like the basic ones. Like even like dance workouts. I used to feel so like guilty but like wanting to like dance alone in my room, but this girl has such nice ones. Also TikTok dances. When I have a high blood sugar, I will always go to TikTok dances because they get your heart pumping. I am sweating when I'm doing TikTok dances, and yes, it is a workout. Like you're moving your body. It doesn't have to be boring. So plan out when you're going to do your TikTok dances, when you're going to do your strength, and make a routine. I'm so excited to do this. I'll put it in my calendar and I will be all set and organized, and it'll be a plan, and I will try so hard to stick to it. And it also really helps when you actually know what you're going to be doing for the week, like what workouts are already planned. Plan something that actually inspires you. So plan out, like say you wanted to go on a trip or something, plan that out and really just like research the heck out of it. Plan out your outfits, like plan out your new aesthetic for this year. Plan out how you want to like decorate your room. Plan out your workout schedule. That's like a really good one. Plan out your self-care routine. Just like plan something that really inspires you and motivates you, and that could just be planning your life in general. All of these things are just getting you in the happy, inspiration, motivation mindset. They're not like huge things, but I swear it'll totally help. Set inspiring keyword goals. Yeah, like New Year's resolutions, blah, blah, blah. I don't like doing New Year's resolutions, and here's why. Resolutions are negative things, they're not inspiring, and they're not motivating. So if you want to stop being a people pleaser, that's definitely one of mine. So I want to stop being a people pleaser. If I say that, it doesn't make me inspired to not be a people pleaser. Like, I'm not gonna be like, oh, well, I hate when I'm a people pleaser, so I'm not gonna do it. No, that doesn't really like make me wanna like not do it. First of all, you need to think of the why. Why do I not want to be a people pleaser? Because I feel so much happier and so much more fulfilled when I'm thinking of myself first. I want to think of myself first so that I can give more love out to other people, and I know that I have still enough love for myself. And I want to feel confident, I want to be in charge of my day, and that makes me feel motivated and like a boss woman. It will be more long-term because you can always come back to the why. And if I just said, oh, I don't want to be a people pleaser, like where's the why in that? I really hope that makes sense. So make them powerful, make them meaningful for you. You don't have to tell anyone what they are. Make sure that they're for your deepest good and your highest self. I don't know if you're into like spirituality or law of attraction, but I definitely am. Really take this time to like think, will this actually fulfill me, or do I just think it will? And look to past experiences when you were the most happy. Who were you with? What were you doing? And try to replicate that and try to bring more of that in your life with law of attraction and manifestation. Update your vision board, make new affirmations. This is so critical, and I actually really like doing this. I make, say like you have like 4 different resolutions or inspiring goals that you want to do, make them into affirmations. So mine would be, I feel so happy, confident, and fulfilled in myself because I don't let people walk all over me anymore. Instead of, I am not a people pleaser. Like, that's not really an affirmation, but I love affirmations. So go make yourself those affirmations. And if you want to pause and do all of that right now, I definitely pause right here. I'll make a cute face so that it won't be like ugly when you're looking up. Okay, so the next part of this video are reminders that I need you to hear for 2021. I'll make it jiffy, I'll make it spiffy, I'll make it quick. The first thing is to let go. The universe has you. Like, the universe is actually meant to give you what you want. Like, the universe is just energy. If you want to learn more about this, read Leveraging the Universe and Engaging Life's Magic by Mike Dooley. It explains this all in like the first chapter. Don't think, if only I had this, the universe would give me what I want, or if only I was a certain type of person, or if only I could do this, if only I could accomplish this goal. You can. This is all an illusion. Like, this human life is just a human, temporary, earthly experience. Like, there is literally a higher version of yourself that is controlling everything, and you can connect to that through meditation, through affirmations, through journaling. Like, this is actually like, it's so hard to explain because I'm like so passionate about it, but you won't actually like get passionate about it unless you like actually put put it into practice. You are not just a human living on earth. Like, there are, if you want to call it your higher self, if you want to call it like God, if you want to call it guardian angels, there's a higher power that you control, like with your energy, and you are a fragment of God. Like, you have so much power, and you're literally just controlling the illusion of life that you're in. So if you are literally a fragment of God, why is anything impossible? Like, if you start thinking like that, thinking you have every power that the universe has, you're working with the universe, you're talking to it, you're communicating with energy, like, it works. And this is why law of attraction works, because there's not a certain amount of success and love and confidence to go around for everyone. Like, there is unlimited success and unlimited happiness. Make sure that you living in this temporary human experience is one that you won't regret, because you have all the power. Use it. That one was definitely not skiffy or jiffy. Define who you are and be them. Super simple. Who do you really truly want to be? Who do you want people to remember you as and have you as in their life? Be them. You have a purpose. This is a temporary human experience. You are here for a reason, and you do have a destiny, and your destiny is to fulfill your highest good, which means when you're the happiest, when you're the most confident, you aren't here on earth by mistake. Like, you have a purpose. So don't just go through life, you know, going through the motions, living day by day. Like, appreciate the moments and always be grateful. Always think something amazing is coming, and that you are constantly fulfilling your own purpose. Like, you are here for a very, very specific reason, and it's not pre-made for you. You get to decide what that reason is, and just basically decide where you want your energy to go. There was a really good quote that I saw on Pinterest that really just explains like everything that I want to say. It's always trust your dreams. They've chosen you as much as you've chosen them. Literally, there is no dream that is too big, like literally none. Last thing, every day is a blessing. What if you knew that you weren't going to live to see the end of 2021? Like, you need to live like every single day is a blessing, because it is, and you need to live like you don't know that you're going to live to see this whole year. Like, you need to take action right now. You need to be happy and grateful, and if you want to change your life into a more positive direction, you need to do it right now. You put your energy where you want, and the universe will follow. Last thing are my personal goals. These are very these are really personal to me, actually, and these are things that I've been struggling for a long time, and I'm really trying to use my power to change them. And I know that I can, and I know that this year, if I just get a little bit closer, I will be so happy. The first thing is to stop letting other people's opinions control what I do. It has never benefited me. I was thinking about all the times where I let people's opinions, people making fun of me, people talking behind my back, people making preconceived notions about who they think that I am. That has never benefited me when I have actually let it control what I do. It has never. And that's what I'm saying. It's just a fact. Like, if I think of the facts, it has never helped me. So why am I going to continue doing that? I'm not. I have to stop letting people like take advantage of my lack of self-confidence. But I just need to be more confident in my decisions. Like, I remember I wouldn't post certain things on my story, like my funny side, or I would just like delete TikToks because I didn't think that people would think they were funny. But like, honestly, like, I need to not care as much, and even if people don't necessarily agree with what I'm doing, if it truly does make me happy, I just need to do it. To be more kind and trusting in myself, I have to stop second guessing myself, and I have to stop getting in my own way. And I see it happening like right before my eyes, but I don't do anything about it. When I was beginning to start the law of attraction and doing manifestation, I had so many limiting beliefs that I had to try so hard to get rid of, and I have gotten rid of a ton of them, but it's really hard when you have this thing at the back of your head that's like, no, you can't do it. Like, that's impossible to happen. That's never going to happen. You're not good enough for that to happen. You have a million reasons why you can't do something, and I need to get rid of those limiting beliefs, because that is literally the only thing that is stopping me from actually reaching that potential. I'm such like a realistic person, and I think of all the things that could go wrong. I'm a huge perfectionist, so if I think that I'm not going to be able to do something to my best of my ability, I won't do it. So I will just like literally not, and that's like kind of perfectionist combined with this, but sometimes it does get really in my way. Struggling with this got me in a ton of just arguments with especially like my mom and my family because I'm around them the most, but I have to be more open to criticism. Once again, I am a huge perfectionist and I put 110% of my being into literally every single thing that I do. And that is a ton of the reason why I have reached the success that I have, but it has also limited me and it has also caused a lot of really stupid fights. If I like tried so hard and I did this and I got like bad feedback, like I'm gonna just sit here and cry. But like, no, I can't do that. Like I have to like just set that boundary for myself, accept their feedback, and you don't have to take it, but just accept it and don't break down because of it. I am going to try new things and not be afraid to fail. I just realized this year, like because of the pandemic and everything like that, that I was surely taking a lot of things for granted, but I was also holding myself back from a lot of the things that I wanted to do, but I was too scared because I didn't think I would be able to do them perfectly. So this is the year to start changing that. Please let me know down below if this was helpful and if you want more types of these like inspiration, motivational talk videos. I know that 2021 has so many blessings and just exciting push-throughs for all of us, and that is just like a fact. I'm speaking to the universe right now. The universe is actually telling me it's gonna be a really good year, and also my butt is like falling asleep because I'm literally just like sitting on the floor. And let me know if you like this like background. I don't know. I'm still like decorating my apartment, so I don't know if it's like cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed till the end of this video, comment down below a white heart with little magic sparkle emojis. You know which one I'm talking about. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell for more inspiration. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.